Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this simple Indian festive glam look which you can wear in this festive season. Now, as you all know that we are not going to step out of our houses, but still we can, just do some makeup, wear good clothes and make ourselves feel better. This tutorial is going to be really easy, so if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So I'll start with a skin prep, and for that I'll be using this Nykaa carrot seed cold press oil. I like to use these oils on my face. I have few from Nykaa, and because I have dry skin, so I really like to put something more than a moisturizer. So I apply moisturizer, but after applying this oil, you can try this if you have dry skin, and it really works for me. So you can try any oil of your choice from any brand, and you can see for yourself if that suits you and that keeps your face looking glowy and dewy. You can totally try it. Now I will use this Pond's moisturizer. This is the super light oil free moisturizer. I'm going to take it on my fingers and I will generously apply this all over my face. So before applying foundation, I'll use this sugar corrector in the shade Precedent, and I will apply this wherever I feel I have redness and darkness. So that is around my mouth, under my eyes and around my eyes. And now I will use a concealer brush from PAC. This one looks like this. It is dense and it's really great concealer. If you're looking for a good concealer brush, you can totally try this one. This is PAC 219. It really helps me to blend my corrector, to blend my concealer, and it also helps in setting under eye area using loose powder. So it's a multitasking brush, and I love the quality of this brush also, and it makes my job really easy and quick. Now after blending the corrector, I'm going to use this PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Birthday Suit, and I will apply this right under my eye area. And now with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this concealer nicely onto my face. And now I'm going to use this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade Brown Beige, and I'm going to take very little amount of this foundation on my face, and I'll just apply some here and there. And to bring back some brightness on my face, I'm going to use this Sugar Concealer in the shade Chococcino. Before I set my concealer, I would like to do my brows, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. Guys, if you're looking for an affordable eyebrow pencil which is also good quality, then you can totally buy this Maybelline Fashion Brow. It's really good. Now I will set my concealer using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm using the shade Medium. I'll take my damp sponge, powder on it, and I'm pressing it just under my eyes. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to sweep off this powder. Very gently, I'm just taking off the excess. And for my eyes, I'm going to use this palette from Wet n Wild. This is called my Glamour Spot palette, and I really like this palette. I recently bought it. It looks really beautiful to me. It has warm brown shades, it has shimmer shades, so you can create daily looks, you can create festive looks also. And now I will start with the color right here. It's a transition shade, and I'm going to take this shade on a fluffy brush, tapping off the excess. And I'm going to apply it on my crease area only. So I'm going to take little by little. Whatever product you apply on your face for your makeup application, just make sure that you start by taking little by little, and gradually you can have a base or an eye makeup you want. Taking too much in the beginning itself can create a problem. You might end up wasting your products, and at the same time you might not be satisfied with your face and your eyes. So just take little by little, and you can increase the intensity of any product like that. Because you can always build up, but once you apply too much on your face or on your eyes, you cannot take off. It's like wasting your time and your product. I'm going to do the same thing on my second eye. The next shade I'm going to take is this shade right over here. It's a reddish brown shade, and I will apply it on the outer corner of my eye and keep it to my outer corner of the eye only. I want this area to have some intensity, some depth, so I'm slowly and steadily building this area. And the last shade I'm going to take is this shimmer shade, and I'll place this on my eyelid, like only in the first half. These shimmer shades does not have too much pigmentation, but you can just build it with the help of your fingertip. On top of it, I'm going to take this shade because this shade is not really much pigmented. So I'm going to take that golden shade, which is next to the shade applied before. And I'll take the first shade, the transition shade I applied, and I'm just going to, run it on my crease area. I will complete my second eye off camera, and I'll be right back with mascara and everything, so guys, stay tuned. I'm going to apply the first transition shade I took on my lower waterline. And just make sure that you connect it to your upper lash line. And I'll take a little bit of this shade also on my lower waterline. Very little amount I'm going to take, and I'm just going to smoke it out. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with the help of this highlighter. And for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal mascara. This is a good affordable option, and it's a beautiful mascara, guys. I really like to apply this mascara. Now I'll move on to my face, and I'm going to use my usual bronzer from Sugar to give some warmth to my face. For blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and with the same brush, I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheeks. It's a very subtle blush. It does not make your cheek look very pinky. And before applying highlighter, I would like to use this makeup fixing spray from Revolution. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm going to highlight my face. All the usual areas I highlight. And for lip liner, I'm going to use Sugar Lip Liner. This is in the shade Wood by Nude. For lipstick, today I'm going to mix two lipsticks from Sugar, one in the shade Browning Glory and the other one in Elle Woods. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply one on my upper lip and Browning Glory on my lower lip. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be uploading a video in future. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to provide the handle in the description box. I often post a lot of makeup related content on my page too. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.